So, hey guys, what's up? It's the Culture Detective here, investigating your favorite, whatever, exams, I don't know. And today, you're going to see me complete mathematics. Okay, mathematics, 2019 DSE mathematics compulsory part paper 1 out of 2. And this is going to be a big paper, and the time allowed is 2 hours and 15 minutes, but I'm going to try to complete it in 2 hours. Because why not? So 3, 2, 1, let's go. I know you can't see all the questions, so I'm gonna show you a little bit. Alright, so make H the subject of the... Oh, you know what I can do? Shit. Okay, is this better? Okay, I feel like this is slightly better. Yep. So make H the subject of the formula. Okay, so let's write the formula down first. 6k equals to 7h plus 8. You know, at some point I'm gonna not narrate so much because I need to focus. See, this is what happens when I don't focus. I turn an H into a K. Amazing. Alright, but you get what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna make a mistake at any given moment, so you know, not very cool. Alright, simplify this thing. What the fuck? Okay. Shit, do I need to do this shit? Oh my god. Alright, cool. There's 3 times. I need to be extremely careful, by the way, especially when I'm handling brackets and positive, negative numbers. See, this is supposed to be 2, and okay. And then, okay, like this. 15x minus 12 minus 14x plus 12. So this becomes, okay, so minus 12 plus 12, that cancels out each other. That becomes, okay, that becomes an x only on top. There we go. We got the first 2 questions in 2 minutes. Cool stuff. Next one, the length and breadth of a rectangle are 24 cm and 13 plus r cm respectively. If the length of a diagonal of the rectangle is, okay, shimata. Oh, why am I drawing? I guess I'm just being a little too careful. But I know how to do this. What? This thing plus this thing equals to this thing because Pythagoras theorem or Pythagorean theorem, however you like to call it. Right. So 576 plus 169. I'm okay. Plus 26r plus r square minus 289 minus shit 102 minus 102r plus 9r square. I'm so scared that I'm gonna make a careless mistake because I lost like 30 points because of careless mistakes. Again, I don't want to jump to conclusions, so I'm gonna do it very, 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 very carefully. So r square minus 9r square, that is a negative 8 square. Okay, 26 plus 26r plus 102r, so 20. 128 456. All right, so now we do this. Negative 8, 128, 456, negative 3, or 19. Okay, so we got, this is negative 3, reject, or 19. So conclusion R is 19. Boom, we got it. Okay, this one. Factorize 4m square minus 9. I'm going to be lazy, and I'm going to do this. 4, 0, negative 9. First of all, 2m minus 3. 2m plus 3. Okay. Yes. All right. Second, b minus 15n equals to... okay. Again, I'm gonna be... Oh, actually, I can pull out the n. I can pull out the n, leaving 2m squared plus 7m minus 15. You can do that, right? Then I can do this, 2, 7, negative 15. Oh, would you look at that? 2m minus 3. And then m plus 5. And then c is basically all of them combined, I assume. And then, so it's 2m minus 3. 2m plus 3 minus n, m plus 5. But this is not the end of the story. If you think this is the end of the story, oh, you can't see anything, then you're wrong, okay? Then you're fucking wrong. So I'm going to pretend that there's still space down there, and I'm going to continue. Okay, you can't see anything. Okay. This thing plus 3 minus mn plus 5n. Okay, I think I'm done. I think I'm done. If I'm wrong, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be really, really, really mad. Question 5, a wallet is sold at a discount of 25% on its market price. The selling price of the wallet is 690. Yay. Okay, find the market price. Okay, that isn't tough at all. 690. Well, I am scared. I'm scared that I'm gonna make a mistake, because originally I'm planning to do 690 over 1, but I don't think it's this one. I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one. So this means let m be the market price, right? M dollars. M times 1 minus $25, 25% equals to 690. So this makes M 920. So this thing, the market price is 920. Boom, B. After selling the wallet, the percentage profit is 15%. Okay, let be the cost. Right. So 690 minus cost over cost times 100 is 15%. This means, okay, 0.15c plus 1. So 690 equals to 1.15c. So c is 600. So the cost is 600. Next, question 6. Okay, we're 8 minutes in. Solve this inequality. Right. Okay. Doesn't seem too complicated. For sure I can do this, right? Okay, so I'm gonna do this first, because why not? 24x minus 8. Am I missing anything though? I'm so fucking scared. I'm so fucking scared. You have no idea. See, 7x7 minus 24. Negative 17. And then negative 8 minus negative 26. Negative 34. And then x, I flip this to find the number of integers satisfying both this and 15 minus 5, 45 minus 5x. Okay. And this, do this, and then 9. Again, I'm so scared. It's 9. It's 9. It's 9. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, there we go. So x has to be either x is larger than 2. X is larger than 2, but smaller than 9. At most 2, at least 2, and at most 9. So the number of integers is 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Right? Okay, I'm so scared. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, that's 8 numbers. Oh my god. That's 8 numbers. That's 8 numbers. Okay, I almost scammed myself. In a playground, the ratio of number of adults to the number of children is 13 to 6. If 9 adults and 24 children enter the playground, then the ratio of the number of children is adults to children is 8 to 7. Okay, cool. So let the original number of adults and children be A and C respectively, because we are going to construct a simultaneous equation. So first of all, in a playground, the ratio of the adults to the number of children is 13 to 6, meaning that A over C equals to 13 over 6. So that's 1. Number 2, if 9 adults and 24 children enter the playground, so A plus 9, C plus 24, then the ratio becomes 8 to 7. So we are going to start from the first one. A to C is 13 to 6. So A equals to 13 over 6 C. Right. So sub 3 into 2, 13 over 6 C plus 9 over C plus 24 equals to 8 over 7. See, now it becomes complicated. So 8C plus 8 times 24, that's 192. And then we have 7, so this thing times 7 equals to, fuck you. Why is everything a fraction? Alright, 9 times 7 is 63. And then this thing minus 8 is 43 over 6C. And 129, so C is 18. Yes, that seems like the right answer. So A is 18 times 13 over the equals to 39. So there are 39 adults. Boom. So there are 39 adults and 18 children. Originally, let's go. 8. The pie chart below shows the distribution of numbers rings owned by the girls in a group. Welp, that's lame. Write down the mode of the distribution. 2. Find the mean of the distribution. Well, first of all, this angle is 90, 54, 144, 72. So the mean should be, oh my god. I hate this. I hate this. 4. I don't know if I'm right or not, to be honest. I really don't. Should I test it? Should I give it a little test? 2 people own 1. Fuck off. 144 people own 2. Which 54 people own 3. 72% people own 5. And 90% people, 90-degree people own 7. So, okay, the fuck? Okay, we need to do this all over again. Okay, this is unnecessary, by the way. I'm just checking it because I'm scared. Okay, it's 4. It's 4. I'm good. I'm good. Nothing wrong. Let's go see if a girl is randomly selected from the group. Find the probability that the girl owns more than 3 rings. So 1 minus, because more than 3 rings mean, oh no, duh. 360, 72 plus 90 degrees. This thing over this thing equals to 9 over 20. Boom. Got it. I got it. I got it. I got it. Everything is fine. Everything is cool. Everything is chill. Alright. The sum of the volumes of 2 spheres is 324 pi. The radius of the larger sphere equal to the diameter of the smaller sphere. What the frick? Expressed in terms of pi. The volume of the large sphere. Are you okay? Well, fuck you. So let RCM be the radius of large sphere. Yeah, alright. So 4 pi, volumes, shimata. 3 over shimata. 4 over 3 times pi times r cubed plus 4 over 3 times pi times 0.5 r cubed equals to 324 pi. Okay. So this means, all right, 4 over 3 r cubed plus why did I make it so difficult for myself? What the heck? Oh my goodness. I should have let r be the radius of the smaller sphere. Now I need to handle this shit. Alright. 324 times 3 over 4. 243. Which is r cubed plus 0.125 r cubed as well. So plus 1 over 200 r cubed is 216, and I believe this is correct. 6. So the radius is 6 cm. Okay, so we got that out of the way. Now the volume of the larger sphere is 4 over 3 pi r cubed. Yeah, so 4 over 3 times r cubed, 288. There we go. Question B. The sum of the surface areas of the two spheres. So 4 pi r square plus 4 pi r over 2 square. So this thing plus 4, 180. Okay. So far so good. Section A2, here we go. It is given that hx is partly constant and partly... Okay, so this is a variable question. So negative 96 equals to k1 plus k2 negative 2. 72 equal to k1 plus k2 5. All right, find hx. I need to turn on the air conditioning. There we go. It's really fucking hot. Okay, so from 1, this thing minus 2 k2, so k1 equals to negative 96. It's negative 96, right? I don't want to, you know, make any careless mistakes. Okay, so we got 3. Okay, sub 3 into 2. So 72 equals to negative 96 plus k2 plus 5. This. So this thing is a 168, and this thing is a 7k2. Wait a second. Oh, never mind. It totally works out. It totally works out. So k1 is negative 96 plus 224 equals to 48. Negative 48. Yep. All right. hx is negative 48 plus 24x. All right, sounds good. B. Solve the equation hx equals to 3x squared, which is negative 40x plus 24x equals 3h. So 3x squared minus 24x plus 48 equals to 3 24 48 4. Okay, 3 plus 3 minus. Okay, so it's so x equals to 4. Okay, still kind of easy. Okay, surprisingly not as tough as the practice papers I did a few hours ago. Okay, let px be a... Oh my god, not this. Okay, if there's a polynomial question in 2019, then there won't be one in 2020, right? So I shouldn't be worried. Okay. Let px be a cubic polynomial. When px is divided by x minus 1, its remainder is 50. When px is divided by x plus 2, the remainder is negative 52. It is given that px is divisible by this shit. Alright. Great stuff. Find the quotient when px is divided by this. Okay. Welp. What I'm gonna do is let px be ax squared plus ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d equals to 0. So when this is divided by x minus 1, so this thing, this, what am I even doing, equals to 50. The remainder is 50. I am dumb. Leave me alone. Alright. Then, if this is negative 2, The remainder is this thing. Right. So from 1, A plus B plus C plus D is 50. Okay. What the oh my god. I feel like this is not how you do it. Yeah. I feel like this is not how you do it. So, this is problematic. I need to think. So I really don't know how to do this question. But I'm still gonna do it anyways because I do not easily give up. I remember that there was I learned the way to do this kind of question like a long time ago, but I completely forgot about it because I'm dumb. Like there must be a way. There must be a way. And I'm gonna skip this question for now. I'm gonna come back later. Okay. The stem and leaf diagram below shows the distribution of results in seconds of some boys in a 400-meter race. So clearly this is the median. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the lower quartile. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the upper quartile. So the inner quartile range of the distribution is 8 seconds. So 72 minus 8 equals to 64. So C equals to 4. It is given that the range of the distribution exceeds 34 seconds and the mean of the distribution is 69 seconds. Hell yeah. Find A and B. Okay. Okay, so first of all, the mean of the distribution is 69. We need to know that. So 50 plus A plus 80 plus B plus everything else is 69. 20, 69. I don't want to do this. If I'm really in an exam, I will probably spend some time writing the whole equation out, but you sort of understand what I'm going for here. So 1380 minus 79, 76, 75, 72, 72, 71, 71, 71, 70, 69, 69, 69, 69, 68, 64, 64, 63, 60, 60. So 50 plus A plus 80 plus B equals to 136. So 136 minus 50 minus 80 is 6. So A plus B is 6. I'm not doing anything wrong, right? Oh my god, I'm so scared. I'm gonna do this all over again. Okay, except I'm gonna be extra careful. See, this is not careful. Okay. What? Oh my god. Holy shit. Wait. 003448999 70 71 71 71 72 72 75 76 79. Okay, it's 7. It's 7. I did something wrong in the first go. I'm glad I double checked. So a plus b is 7. And the range of distribution exceeds 34. So if exceeds 34, so b minus a needs to be bigger than 4, right? So b equals to 7 minus a. And because the range is larger than 34, so b minus a needs to be larger than 4, right? So like, or at least 4, right? So if b is 6 and a is 2, then 86 minus 52, then 34, right? Perfect. If this is 2 and this is 6, or this is 8, because 12 minus 8 is 4, then it doesn't have the 34. So it has to be like this. B must be larger than A. And so in this case, it can be, okay? Now, it can't be 86 and 52 because B needs to be 7 minus 2. And 7 minus 2 is 5. And this is wrong. This can be 3. If this is 3, so 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, what the heck? This is even worse. B minus A has to be 4, so B needs to be at least 4 plus A. Alright. So, the solutions are... Wait a second. My head is all clogged right now. Okay, so 86 minus 53 doesn't work. This works. But here's the catch. The catch is B must be 7 minus A. So 8 is not 7 minus 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. Why do I feel like this is impossible? 7 minus 1 is 6. Really? 1, B is 6. This works because B is 7 minus 1 is 6, so B, and then 6 minus 1 is larger than 4. Or if A is 0, right? If A is 0 and this is 7, boom, right? This is possible. This is totally possible, right? But it can't be 2 and 5, because if it's 2 and 5, then it's 33, then it doesn't work. It can't be anything else. All right, we got this. I feel like if we need to find A and B, then should there be only one answer? I don't know. I should stop overthinking. It's the least possible. Oh, never mind. Two answers, because it says least possible right here. So if it's least possible, then assume that we want the standard deviation to be low, okay? Low. So we want A to be 1 and B is 6. Then the standard deviation is, here we go, boys. Here we go, boys. 51. 60. The fuck? Did I get a... Okay, shoot. I need to start all over again. I'm paranoid. 4, 68, 69, 69, 69, 70... 75, 76, 79, 86. The mean is 69. Yes, I know. Standard deviation is 7.34 seconds. Correct to 3 significant figures. All right. We got it. We got it, boys. All right. Gotta turn on the air conditioning because it's hot as hell. Alright. In figure 1, O is the center of the circle. Thank you. AC is the diameter. BD and OC intersect at point F. It is given that AED is 105 degrees. Find CBF, which is CB, which is this one. Okay. Wow. So first of all, reflex DOA, right, which is this one, is 105 times 2, which is, okay, gotta clear this first, and then 230 degrees, because angle at center twice angle at circumference. So this 230 degrees, so this makes it 130. Angles on a point, I think. I don't know. Alright, so but this is 130. We got this now. Okay, now we know this. Right, so now DOF is 180 minus 130, and it's 50 because angles on a straight line. So this is 50. So, shit. It must have something to do with CA being the diameter, right? Right, so I'm gonna do this. And then, okay, I need to go experimental now. 180 minus 1.5 is 65, so this is 65. Oh, wait, no. It's beginning to be confusing. What am I missing? What am I missing? So CBF, I already have these data. And I know that CA equals to CB equals to OC equals to OD. And heh. 130 right here, and then oh, I think it has something to do with oh shit, duh, I'm overthinking. CBF is 50. Wait, yeah, it's 25 because angle at center twice Angle at circumference once again. Yes. Duh. I'm dumb. Alright. Suppose that BC is parallel to OD, right? Yes. Thank you. So now I got this. And OB is 18 degrees. Is 18 cm. Is the parameter of sector OBC less than 60 cm? Well, the parameter of the sector, so we need to know the arc of CB. And to do that, okay. Okie dokie. Okay, I know what to do. Duh. So BDO is also 25 degrees because BC equals to OB is parallel to OB. Now, because OD equals to OB, because they're both radii, then the OBD is also 25 degrees because equal angles opposite sides. No. Properties of isosceles triangle. That is the actual right proof. Alright. Now, this is 25, right? Then, DOB is 180 degrees minus 25 times 2, which is 130. Because angle sum. So, angle sum of triangle. So COB is 130 minus 50 degrees, which is 80. And then from there on, I can find the arc of BC, which is 2 pi 18 times 80 degrees over 360 degrees equals to 2 pi 18 times 80, which is 25.13. So 1 cm. So parameter of the sector OBC is 25.1 plus 18 plus 18. Same plus 18 plus 18. So 61. So 61, which is more than 60. So nope. Alright. Question 14. Let's go. So in figure 2, ABCD is a square. And it is given that E is a point lying on AD. Alright. BD and CE. Wait, have I done this? I feel like I've done this before. What? BD and CE intersect at point F. Let G be such a point such that BG is parallel with EC and CG is parallel with DB, right? So, okay, so I need to prove shit. I hate this. Prove that BCG is congruent to CBF. Alright, I know what to do. So angle FBC equals to angle BCD because alternative angles FBCG. And then FCB equals to CBD because alternative angles FC is parallel to BG, and then BC equals to BC because they're the same. Then BCG equals to this thing because angle side angle, yes. And then for A2, BCF. BCF is similar to DEF. So this thing, okay, yeah, so ED is parallel to BC. Property of square. So first of all, EDF equals to CBF because alternative angles, ED is parallel to BC. And then DEF equals to, right, BCF because alternative angles, ED is parallel to BC. And then EFD equals to CFB, vertically opposite angles. That is why BCF is similar to DEF, angle, angle, angle. All right, welcome to maths. I'm going to do it here, B1. Suppose that BCF, all right, so BCF equals to BGC. So BGC, which is equals to this thing because parallel, which is also equal to this thing because parallel, which is also equal to this thing because parallel. Let BC be L, express DF in terms of L. So if this line is L, right, then this line is also L. Then okay, no, this line is not L. What the heck? AD is L. Yeah. And wait a second. BC over ED, right? BC equals to AD, property of square. So AD is L, right? Oh, then this thing's L as well, because, you know. Gosh darn. Gosh darn. Alright, so. Okay, I got this. So, BC over ED equals to BF over DF. Yeah. Now, over DF. BF over DF. Okay. Okay. Oh, I don't even need to do this then. I don't even need to do this then. Right. BCF is BGC, right? So this means BCF equals to BGC, then BCF equals to BGC equals to CBG. Corresponding angles, yep. And then CBG equals to BCG equals to BFC, because again, this thing. So this means that BCF equals to BFC, which means that BC equals to BF equals to L, because opposite sides equal angles. So this means that BD equals to root 2L. Because Pythagoras theorem. So DF equals to root 2L minus L, which is root 2 minus 1L. Yeah, there we go. We got B2. Someone claims that AE is larger than DF. Do you agree? End my life. Okay. So to find AE, I need to find ED. So now I use the one above. BF over DF equals to BC over ED. BF is L. This is root L minus root L minus 1L. Right. BC is L. And ED is AE, or more like L minus ED. Alright, so root 2 minus 1 over this thing. Okay, great stuff. Well, root 2 minus 1 over this thing. It's hey, 2.41L. And well, L minus E L. Okay, this thing. And we're back. Someone claims that AE is larger than DF. Now, to prove that, we need to find ED first. I don't know what did I do there, so let's just, do this. So ED equals to L over 2.41, which is this thing. And 1 over this thing just so happens to be this thing. So that's why ED is square root 2 minus 1L. So is AE longer than DF? Because now DF and ED are actually the same. Well, let's find out. AE equals to L minus this thing. So 1 minus this thing, which is 0.586L, which is actually bigger than DF, which is this thing, which equals to 0.414L. So yes, AE is larger than DF. The claim is agreed. There we go. We got this. Finally, we are at section B. Question 15. There are 21 boys and 11 girls in a class. If 5 students are selected from the class to form a committee consisting of at least 1 boy, how many different committees can be formed? Okay, so boy, girl. There are 21 boys and 11 girls. 5 students form a committee, so it could be 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1, 5, 0. Now at least 1 boy. So, you know, this. Except we don't want to do all these cases. We only want to do one case because this is annoying. So, all this is going to be 21 plus 11 is 32. So 32, 5 minus, right? 21 times 0, 21C0 times 11C5, which is which I believe is 1. Yep, so 200914. Easy. 16. Let alpha and beta be real numbers such that beta equals to 5 alpha minus 18 and beta equals to alpha squared minus 13 alpha plus 63. Find alpha and beta. Well, equals to this thing. So I guess maybe it's not as simple though. I don't know. But this thing minus 63 plus 18, 81. Looks really simple now, doesn't it? 9. Oh, hey. Alpha equals to 9. And beta equals to 5, 9 minus 18 equals 2. Okay, this paper is kind of easy. Relatively easier than the ones I've done. So far, so good, man. So far, so good. The first term and the second term of an arithmetic sequence are log A and log B, log alpha and log beta, respectively. Well, shit. Find the least value of n such that the first n terms of the sequence, the sum of the first n terms of the sequence, is greater than 888. So the common difference is, because it is an arithmetic sequence, so log 27 minus log 9 equals 2. 3, or log 3, right? So 2 times log 9, which is the first term, plus n minus 1 times log 3, which is the distance, and n over 2 is greater than 888, right? So 17, okay, so yep, 2 log 9 plus n log 3 minus log 3, and then n, so this means 2 log 9n plus n squared log 3 minus log 3n. So this means log 3n squared plus 2 log 9 minus log 3n minus 17760. So I gotta make this again. Log 3, 2 log 9 minus log 3. Okay, don't math error. Okay. Okay, so n is, okay, so it's, okay, gotta draw this. So it could be 59, or, okay, so, or 59.5. So it has to be larger than 0, so n is larger than 59.5, or n is smaller than negative 62.5, and we need to reject this. So least value of n is 60. All right, we can do this. 17. Let A and P be the area of the parameter of triangle CDE respectively. Denote the radius of the inscribed circle of CDE by R. Prove that. Come on, I've done this. I have done this. Oh my god, I have done this. Yeah. So let's just say I proved it, okay? Come on, I've done this. I swear. Basically, I let the sides be, or actually, I didn't even let the sides be, you know? I just CD times R over 2 plus DE times R over 2 plus CE times R over 2 is the area, which is basically A. So basically 2A equals to PR. Boom. I've done this. All right. Oh my god, I've done this question. So I'm going to redo it again, I guess, then. So, coordinates of the points H and K are, so 9, 12, and 14, 0. Let P be a moving point in the rectangular, so the perpendicular distance of P, and OH equal to P to HK. What? OH. Okay, so H is right here. So OH. And we're going to P to HK. Oh. So this is the locus. Yeah. Where O is the origin, denote the locus of P by this thing. So I already found the locus here. Describe the geometric relationship between this. Okay, so angle bisector. This is the angle bisector of OHK. Using A, find the equation of this thing. Okay, so I need to find the because if I connect this thing and I make an in center, the for an in center, well, actually this thing must pass through the median must pass through the, oh no, this is the in-center, this is the angle bisector, so this thing must pass through the must pass through the center, the in-center of OHK. And to find the in-center, we need to first find the radius of the in-circle. And to do that, we need to find the perimeter, which, okay, gosh darn it, OH is, I'm not gonna spend this much time, okay, but I'm gonna do whatever I have to do. So 15, yay. All right, and then OK is of course 14, and HK is, all right, amazing, very entertaining content. 13. I fucked this one up last time. I'm not gonna do that anymore. So 15, this thing R, I think, PR, yep, times R equals to 2A. And the area is basically, yeah, 1/2 times 14 times 9. Yeah, 12. Yeah, so 14 times 12 minus, divide this thing. So the radius is 4. But even though I found the radius... Oh, no. I found the radius, and I know that the center of... Well, hold on a second. It's 7.4, I think. Wait, how do I find the x-coordinate of the in circle though? That is a good question. How many questions are there anyway? 19? Okay, it's 19. Okay. I feel like I've done some of these. I don't know. I'm gonna complete the whole thing except for the quotient question. I'm gonna just skip that. So the center of OHK is crap. I don't know this all of a sudden. It's 4. It's 4, right? It's something 4, and that something is going to be shoot. You know what? I'm gonna use a program. I don't care anymore. 0, 0, 9, 12, 14, 0. Don't. Oh, fuck you. Of course it's gonna be math error. Of course. The center of the center of this thing should be at. Wait, what? Why are you doing this to me? Alright. The radius is 4. Should I just skip this? I'm just gonna skip this for now. 18. Okay. Tetrahedron ABCD. Let P be a point lying... Okay, I've done... What the fuck? I've done all this. Okay, so AD, such that BP is perpendicular to AD. I've done this, I swear. Craftsman finds that AC equals to AD. So AC equals to AD equals to CD. 13. So, and BC is 8. BD is 12. And ABD is 72 degrees. Okay, I've done all this. What the heck? I swear I've done this. Okay. So, BAD. So to find BAD, because I already have AD. So 13 over sine 72 degrees equals to 12 sine BAD. Okay. So BAD is 12 sine 72. 61.4, and then I'm gonna save it at A. All right. I should record myself do math trial 5 then, because that one was way tougher. CP. Welp. Well, to find CP, we need to first find find PA, right? This is okay, so CPD is not 90 degrees. So, you know, we know that. We know that for sure because it's trying to trick us. It's a trap. But we can find BA now. And if we're able to find BA, then now we still need to find angle either PCA or CPA or PAC. And yeah. Oh no. PAC is 60 degrees. Because this is an equilateral triangle. Because 13 is 13, 13. Right, so this is 60 already. So to find CP, we only need angle CPA. And to find CPA, we're going to need a bit more brain energy here. Because CPA is a little difficult to find. So I got this one, which is 61.4 degrees. Then I will get this one, right? If I got this one, and this is 13, then I get BD. If I get BD, then I can get, okay, I'm overthinking, am I? 60. PA. I need to find PA. I remember that there's a way to find PA, but I don't know why I'm not recalling the way now. If I know BA, then I can find PA. Duh. And to find BA, oh, I know. Okay. So BDA is 180 degrees minus 61.4 minus 70. All right. My brain is working. 46.6. This is 46.6 degrees. Next, BA squared equals to, okay, right? 12, 13 minus, okay, that's why this is relatively easier. Because if you can figure this out within a couple minutes, then it's considered kind of easy. All right. So formula 02, 12, 13, this thing. So BA is 9.93, or let's make it longer. cm. Okay, so 9.9332. Now that I found this, PA is actually, right? It's actually 9.9332 cosine 61.4. Right. This thing times cosine A. 4.7565. And I'm going to save it at C. Right? Because this is 90 degrees, so I can just directly do that. And then I got PA, I got CP, and I got this thing. And no, wait, I haven't got CP. But I can do CP by CP squared equals to 13 plus this thing, 565, minus 2, 13, 4, 6, 5, cosine, 60. And, okay, so formula 2, 13, C, 60, 11.4, let's go. And I'm going to save this at D. All right, we got A2. That's great. Now all we need is B. The craftsman claims that BPC is the angle between the face ABD and ACD, which is this one. Explain your answer. Well, if this angle, if DPC is 90 degrees, then he's right. If not, then he's wrong. So, because we already found CP, and we know PD, by, okay, so PD equals to 13 minus 4.7565, because we already calculated PA a while ago, so this thing minus C equals to 8.2435 cm, right? And then all we need to do is find, okay, 13 square equals to 8.2435 square plus 11.4 square minus 2. Okay. Cosine CPD, right? So CPD is, okay, so this I'm going to save it at B, and then the other 11.4. Okay, so D plus B square. Okay. What am I doing? This thing over 2 times D times B, and then cosine 81.2 degrees, which is not 90 degrees, so he is incorrect. Boom. Got it. I swore I've done this. I swore I've done this shit. I swore I've done the whole paper, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. But I just had no recollection because I'm dumb. Because I've done this like 12 years ago. So should I just do another paper? Nah, I'm gonna persevere. Okay, so 19, it's the toughest question. Fx is this thing. I swear I've done this, oh my god. K is a positive constant, denote the point by F. Okay. Prove the graph of this thing passes through F. Well, I'm just gonna sub it. So I'm gonna sub 4 here plus 6k minus 2, 33. Nope. 4, 9k plus 25. Right. (16 plus 24k minus 8 plus 9k plus 25). Huh? Why is there a bracket around this? I don't even know. Alright, equals to, okay, 16 minus 8 plus 25, it's 33. And then it's going to be like 33 plus 33k or something. 24 plus 9, which is 33. So, you know, I proved it. I just proved it. Using the method of completing the square, express the coordinates of u in terms of k. So the graph of y equals to gx is obtained by reflecting the graph of with respect to the y-axis. So this thing, and then translating the resulting graph upwards by 4. So this thing. So y equals to plus 4. Let u be the vertex. Okay. So I know what to do. Plus all right. why does everything have to be so complicated? Okay, plus 6k negative x plus 9k plus 25. Right. Why does everything have to be so complicated? And then this becomes x squared minus 6kx minus 2x plus 9 plus 25. And then what I'm going to do is that I am going to do this thing where I pull out the x squared minus 6k plus 2x plus 9k plus 25. And then it's going to be, okay, 6k over 2 over 2, 6k plus 2 over 2 is 3k plus 1. And if you square it, it becomes 9k squared plus 6k plus 1. So it becomes x minus 3k plus 1 squared. So minus plus, so minus again, yeah. And it's a 9k squared plus 6k plus 1 plus 9k plus 25. So the vertex of the graph, or u, is actually, I feel like I'm doing something really wrong. But yeah, anyways, 3k plus 1. Alright, minus, and the y coordinate is 9k squared plus 15k plus 26. Yeah. I'm gonna stop doing this because, you know, I've already done this, and well, now you basically have an idea of what a full paper is like, and I'm not gonna move further. I've done this. I'm gonna do the other one. You know, to give you more a better idea of what other papers are like, you should check out these papers, where the first few questions are really similar, except of course this is way tougher. As you can see, this is way tougher. This is a cone, a hemisphere, and there are some more variations. This is really easy. This is an easy bit. I got this one wrong. This is kind of complicated. It's like speed and time and distance and all that stuff. This is annoying, where you get where you k, you don't know the coordinates, and you need to sort of find out the area and stuff. Probability, oh nope, this is a standard score and mean and all that stuff. Probability, got all of this right. This is a sequence. This is inequalities, and this is the final question, which is of course always really tough. And that's basically it. And again, for this one, the first few questions are similar, and you have an idea. This is a polar coordinates. This is also quotients, but it's not as complicated as the one I did a while ago. Okay, this one I fucked up a bit, as you can see. What's this thing called? Graph? The whatever. The distribution of everything. And the more graphs, and more 3D stuffs, and more probability. And as you can see, okay, this one I did the best, right? 92 out of 105. Okay, as you can see, polar coordinates, variables, similar triangles, angles. Also a bit of polynomials here, my weakest, you know, my weak suit. Distribution. This is also distribution, probability. This is sequence. This is linear programming. All right, and this is the last question, also a 3D. But that's basically it. Okay, so hey guys, what's up? I'm going to do maths paper 2 right now. This is the 2019 DSE, and I have no idea if I've done any of the questions here before, but if I have, I will be disappointed because I printed all of this out because I thought there would be something new, but I don't know. Anyways, okay, question A. Okay, so all of this is multiple choice questions, and I'm supposed to have 1 hour and 15 minutes. So anyways, first of all, we have this. And usually when I see questions like this, I basically sub. So A is 5 and B is 6. So 5 minus 6. 5 squared plus 5 times 6. Of course, you can, you know, do it the traditional way by, you know, actually expanding the thing. But I wouldn't do that because it's dumb. So, of course, it's not this. Of course, it's not this. And A, there we go. C. This is really quick. Okay, now this is 3. So 6 times 3 to the power 7 squared over 4 times 3 to the power 5. 177147. Now we check. I predict it's a B. So again, I substitute X as 3. Okay, it's not B. I am disappointed. Okay, then it's D. Yes, there we go. Easy peasy. Okay, I don't think I've done this. Okay, so for this one, I can use my calculator. And 2x plus 11y equals to 40 as well. So we have a simultaneous equation here. From this thing, we can conclude that this, so 40 minus over 6 is Oshimata. Okay, whatever, I can handle it. What I can handle it. 7 over x, so add these two together, right? These two together. See, I'm careless. I'm being so careless. This is y. Because of 40. Yeah, then 20 over 3 times 2 is 40 over 3 plus 14 over 6, which is 7 over 3. 40, so 40 minus 40 over 3 is this thing over 7 over 3 plus 11. 2. Y is 2. So B. Yep. All right. We got this. So alpha and beta are constants such that this and this. Oh my god. I hate this. So, okay. x minus 8 x plus alpha minus 6 is x squared plus alpha x minus 8x plus minus 8 alpha, actually plus 8 alpha, because you know, yeah, because no, it's minus 8 alpha. I am dumb. And then minus 6 equals to this thing, which is minus 18x plus 81 plus this thing. So now we know that alpha minus 8 equals to negative 18. So alpha is negative 10. Yep. And beta is, because this thing minus 6 equals to 81. So this thing is negative 8 times negative 10 minus 6. 81 minus this thing is 7. Okay, we have a negative 7 here, so I'm just going to say negative 7. C. Yep, alright. Oh, h equals 3 minus this thing, and I need to make k the subject. Okay, so 3k plus 4 minus 5 h, and then hk plus 4h, and 3k plus 12 minus 5, and then k is a subject, so hk minus 3k, 12 minus 4h, so k equals to 12 minus 4h, h minus 3, and I need to flip it around, so I guess 3 minus h, 4h minus 7, so 4h minus 7, 3 minus h, hey, boom. Alright, which of the following are true? So decimal places, nope, wrong, 3 wrong, 3 significant. Okay, so x can be anywhere between 0.06557 and 6564. So it could be 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is wrong. This has to be wrong. But this is right. D. The least, okay, fuck off, bro. I'm really tired. See, this is what happens when I'm tired. I make mistakes. 10. Flip it. There we go. And then 7, 12. So x is larger than 3, larger than 4, or x is larger than negative 3. So this thing wins. It's negative 2. All right. Air conditioning. All right. Let C be constant, and fuck off. Is this a plus sign? Is this a plus sign? My printer is trash. Okay, I'm gonna assume it is. So this thing plus C, my plus this thing. Whoa, I'm dumb. I overthought. Negative 3c plus c, negative c squared plus c. Hopefully it's a plus sign. If it's not, I'm gonna be so pissed. So it's this, and then it's this, and then it's c squared plus c. So it is a 2c squared plus 2c. So it's c. Yay. Alright. Let k be a constant such that this thing is divisible by this thing. Oh, you're joking. You're joking, you're joking. Oh, actually, I know this sounds dumb, but I can still sub, okay? Watch me. So say, I'm gonna predict, okay? Just a prediction. The answer is 8. Okay, so 2x, okay, so this thing, x equals to negative k over 2, right? So negative 8 over 2, and then to the power 4 times 8 times negative 8 over 2 cube plus minus 4 times negative 8 over 2 minus 16. Oh, boom! It's 0. I knew it. D, let's go. Which of the following statements about the graph of this thing? Oh boy. Why are you doing this to me? Okay. Minus 2x and plus 6. So it's this thing, right? So it opens downwards, yes. Graph passes through. Well, only one way to find out. Negative 1 plus 1 plus 12. Well, it does not. No, wrong. The x-intercepts of the graph are negative 2 and 3. Well, okay. Either I did something wrong, or I'm really smart and I'm right. I think I'm right. I think it's A. Sum of deposited interest rate for 8 years quarterly. Okay, so it's this thing plus 7% quarterly. So this thing. So okay. 113243. Okay, there we go. See, I got this. The costs of tea brand. Okay. Brand A and B. So if x kg of tea are mixed, so that the cost of mixtures. The x kg and y kg are mixed, so that. Okay. So and y, right? Yeah, so this thing. I feel like I'm doing something wrong. 140x plus 301. If there's 140x, then okay, so per kgs, because we got, okay, I think I'm doing it right. I think I'm right. I don't know though. I need to check. Okay, so 210 minus 315 105y. So x over y is 105 over 70, which is a 322. So x to y is 322. I think it's B. I think I'm right. Yeah. It is given that z varies directly as the square of x and inversely as the square root of y. So zy x squared is k. Oh, what am I doing here? I don't need to do this. If x is decreased by 40%, and y is increased by this thing, then z is a what the frick? I'm dumb. 0.3. X is decreased by a because 0.3 times. In the figure, the first pattern has 6 dots. For any positive integer, adding 4 dots. So, okay. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, okay. So, this is the first pattern. Fourth, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 38. C. The base of a solid right pyramid of a square of side 8. What? The height of the pyramid. Okay. Side 18. And then do this. The height is 12. Then the total surface area of the pyramid. This 12. Oh. It's 9. Yeah. So this is 15. Yep, 15. So 15 times 18 over 2 times 4 plus 18 square. Oh, you can't see anything. Surface area of this thing. All right, 18 over 2 times 4 plus 18 square. 864 D. All right. In a figure ABCD is a parallelogram, and this is a square. Oh no, not one of these questions again. BE to EF to FC. Okay. Area of ABX. ABX is 24. The area of quadrilateral CDF YF is. All right. Great. I love this. So 273, right? 273. Then I'm going to do this. And I'm going to do this. Then this is 2, 7. Okay. Wow. You got to do this to me. Can't do ya. You got to do this to me, do ya? This is 2 plus 7. This is 9. And this is 12. Yes. So because of that, 2 plus 9 plus 12 is 23. So 24. Oh, no. This is 2. So assume this is 2. 24 times 2 over 2, 24. And then this is, oh, no, 7, 5. Yeah. And this is 7. I'm overthinking, by the way. I only need to find EX then. So 24. Yeah, because 2 times 7 over 2 is 7. Which is wrong. I'm so hot right now. I feel so hot right now. So 24 is basically, okay, so 7 times 2 over 2, or like 7x times 2x over 2, and then minus oh, this, oh my goodness. Is this what I think it is? Is this what I think it is? Yeah. This little section, it's not 2, right? It's not 2. Nope. No, it's not. This little section here versus this little section, because this is 12. So this whole thing is 12. And this is 2. Wait, what the heck? No, that's not what I'm trying to say. No, if this is 12, then this is 2. Oh, that's what I'm trying to say. So 2 over 12 times 7. So 1.16. So this is actually 1.16666666. So it's 1.16 times 2x over 2 equals to 24. This means, okay, this 7 minus this thing, okay, 24, okay, so 7, so 5.83x times 2x over 2 is this thing. So this thing, I'm going to save it at A. This is very long. This is a very long question. Okay, I'm going to save this at A. 24 times 2 is 48, right? So 48 while A times 2 square. So x is what the heck? What? Wait, what? Oh, it's right here. Okay, x is this thing, right? I feel like I'm digging a rabbit hole. So x is this thing. This thing plus this thing. This thing plus this thing. Or actually this thing plus this thing, and then times this thing over 2 is 105. Okay. Oh, no. 105.2 minus. Shimata. Okay, so I got this trapezium. Now I need to find this part, and this part is supposed to be 5, and this is supposed to be also 5, right? So 3.5 times 2.028 times 5 times 2.028 over 2 is 36. So 1,236. 79, which is close to C, so I'm going to go with C, but I'm actually not sure. But I think if it's anything, then it's probably C. I don't know. Alright, and the figure, I wasted enough time on this. What? A, B, C, and A. Okay, it is given that AB equals to BD. I feel like this is wrong, though. Like, there's definitely a way better way to calculate this. Okay, anyways, let's not dwell in the past. AB equals to BD. BC equals to CD. If CDE is 66, then ACD is, okay, this X and then it's 180 degrees minus x, and this is 180 degrees minus 66 minus x. Okay, so I guess I can find x then. 1 plus this thing equals to 180 degrees. So I guess, why is everything so unnecessarily complicated? Maybe it's just me. I don't know. So negative, oh my goodness. 180 minus 180 minus 2 to 8. Yep. 76. So ACD is a 180 minus 76 times 2 is 28. So it's A. Alright. In the figure, I feel like I've done this. ABC is isosceles triangle with AB equals to AC. Okay. DE are points lying on AB such that AD to DE. Okay, so 2x, 2x, x. Well, F is lying on a point on AC such that DF is, if ADF is 90 degrees and CE is 60, then EF is, well, fantastic. This is 5x, AC is 5x, right? Then, this is, okay, because DF and EC are parallel, so this is also, you know, a friggin', you know, thing, you know, friggin' right angle, which means that 4x square plus 60 square equals to 5x square. 25x square oh shit. So x is 20. So this is 20.